Mungkin clear karo. Nang puli daw. Profesor Khynnah tama ke Pyrthei landi ubrang retam ke arta ke Pyrthei, Profesor Subuno Isak Bari ubrang khatwi Snem ke arta. Ubadai na New York University United States of America ulon banjingo ya ka University of Science and Technology Meklea menta ka sngi hakabul ajing kran shiki hajan ngot kisam la puli bat kiwide kini shimenta kan thubru ya kini kai halu ka phang ka jingta jong ka jing kai stem. Bain na ka jingbon kisam la puli jong ka USTM parat sans pa ngot ki Khynnah bat kini shimenta na ki school bat ka jika puli ba fe kilawan sikandi ka jing ja ka badanam bat ka jing kan dulang. Hakabla tiap kum Einstein jong ka juk jongi kabla pelong yaki kum ka jingja ka basisi na ka jingim ya Profesor Subuno Bari la senran langru dok pa jong u Mr. Rashidul Bari ubolong unhika jong ka Brooklyn Technical New York USA pat Mr. Pranish Debnath unong mikhwat jong ka jala Northeast India Biomika Space Academy bat kumjur ukanita na India na kamta Profesor Subuno Isak Bari Profesor ubrang ret tama ka Pyrthei la yo ya ka jingpriang sofa setenat bat ka bakhraw na ka USTM kalau kisam la puli ka khublai ya daga jaka jaka pulong ya ka program Profesor Subuno Bari ula aga jingkran ka bajeli holo ka jingta ka jika stem na du dangret aga jingkran jugu ula pendrung aga jing thukana ashpang ka jingim jik arm kista science makhraw jokari India Dr. Vikram Sarabhai ba Dr. APJ Kalam hadin ka jingkran jugu Profesor Bari ula juba be ka jingkli ka pair ka bede ba physics mathematics ba kumur ka jingkli ulum bala kli da kisam la puli
and we were having some budget students come on and ask me to listen to these too. But I think that early exposure, now that I can't hear me, so early exposure to science, technology, math, and engineering is one of the most important things any child can have. And why is that? As we become older and older and older, suddenly more and more people start getting this fixed mindset. They believe that either they are right about everything or what they don't know, their teacher is right about everything. One time, yesterday in fact, I was giving a public lecture quite like this one, and right after a question and answer session at the USTM in Wuhan, and we were having some high school students come on and ask me a few questions. So one of them asked me a very profound question about set theory. If you have a set of every single set, does it contain itself? Is it even a set? And I think, personally, the answer is no. Why? Because something that contains multiple sets is not a set itself. That would be multiple errors. It will be called a collective set, and a collective open set, a collective full set, whatever you want to call it. It's a collective set, not a set containing others. All the sets it contains are numbered, if that's in the sense of the real complex analysis. But this student refused to think any different. This student had it with me for half an hour, while all the other students answered their questions in 5 minutes, and then they went away. This student told me, but I don't believe you, sir. Why do you even need the concept of deflection? Cannot a set be the element of another set? And sometimes it's good to be hard to convince. It shows that you're not